Hi, I'm Rob with Gemplers. I'm here to talk about the features and function of our metal oscillating sprinkler. So let me show you how the metal oscillating sprinkler works. So first you would connect the hose using the brass fitting on the end. Then you can adjust the flow control valve here. So from a positive to a negative, low flow to high flow. You have the oscillating control feature second. So you can adjust that from full oscillation back and forth or any angle in between, 90 degrees, 20 degrees, whatever that may be. The third feature is the valve shutoff feature. So you can shut off the 3 valves from the left side and the 3 valves from the right side independently, and that controls the width of the oscillation. So full width to a narrower width, depending on what your watering application is. And then the final feature is a small feature just to help you with maintenance, is a tool to remove any debris from the individual valves that may accumulate over time. And that's stored at the end of the sprinkler. There's 3 key features on the metal oscillating sprinkler. First is the metal body, so a very durable construction. Second is all of the adjustable features, so 4 independent adjustable features on the sprinkler. Third is the internal gear drive that's very durable and long-lasting. So if you're in need of a lawn care watering solution, this is a great option for you. Shop now at Gemplers.com.